If you live in Orangeburg, you know that the weather can be unpredictable, but one thing is always consistent: the desire for a home that's bright, inviting, and energy efficient. A picture window can be a game changer in achieving both of these goals, offering a way to bring more natural light into your home while also improving energy efficiency. Whether you're renovating an existing space or building a new one, picture windows can significantly enhance your living environment. What are picture windows? A picture window is a large, fixed window that does not open, designed to provide unobstructed views of the outdoors. Unlike other types of windows, such as casement or double-hung, picture windows are primarily meant to frame scenic views while allowing maximum sunlight to flood the room. Because they do not have moving parts or hardware, picture windows are also easy to maintain and highly durable. In Orangeburg, where residents appreciate the beauty of their surroundings, a picture window is a fantastic way to bring the outdoors in and create a brighter, more welcoming space. Benefits of picture windows for your Orangeburg home: maximize natural light. One of the most obvious benefits of picture windows is the influx of natural light they allow into your home. In a place like Orangeburg, where sunny days are common, the right window can significantly brighten up a room, making it feel more open, airy, and spacious. Whether you're designing a living room, a kitchen, or even a bedroom, a picture window can transform a dimly lit space into a sun-filled sanctuary. Natural light has been proven to improve mood, increase productivity, and even reduce stress, making it an essential element for any home. With a picture window, you can enjoy an abundance of daylight without worrying about the glare or heat that comes with smaller or more traditional window styles. The large, expansive design of a picture window allows light to pour in from every angle, ensuring your home feels warm and welcoming year-round. Energy efficiency. In addition to boosting natural light, picture windows also contribute significantly to the energy efficiency of your home. Because they are fixed windows with no moving parts, picture windows are tightly sealed, preventing drafts and air leaks that can cause energy loss. In Orangeburg's climate, this means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, as you'll have fewer opportunities for air to escape or enter your home. Modern picture windows are also designed with advanced insulation features, such as low-E coatings and multi-pane glass. These technologies help to regulate temperature, block harmful UV rays, and prevent energy transfer, making your home more comfortable year-round. By reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems, picture windows can help you lower energy bills, contributing to long-term savings on utilities. Aesthetic appeal. A picture window is not just functional, it's also a stunning focal point for any room. Its large, clear glass allows you to frame the view of your yard, garden, or the natural beauty that surrounds your home in Orangeburg. Whether you have a lush garden or want to take in the beauty of a neighborhood tree, a picture window can make that view feel like a piece of art displayed right in your home. The simplicity of a picture window's design complements virtually any interior decor, from modern to traditional. With no moving parts or hardware, Picture windows create a sleek, minimalist look that enhances the aesthetic appeal of any room. Additionally, the unobstructed view adds to the sense of spaciousness in your home, making it feel more open and connected to the outside world. Low maintenance. Unlike windows that need to be frequently opened or closed for ventilation, picture windows require very little maintenance. With no movable sashes, they are less likely to accumulate dirt or become damaged over time. This makes picture windows an excellent option for homeowners who want to enjoy the benefits of natural light and an enhanced view without having to deal with the hassle of constant upkeep. Regular cleaning is usually all that's needed to maintain a picture window's appearance and functionality, which means more time enjoying the light and beauty they bring to your home, and less time spent on maintenance tasks. Increased property value. Investing in high-quality picture windows can increase the overall value of your Orangeburg home. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes that have large windows that provide plenty of natural light, a sense of openness, and a connection to the outdoors. A well-placed picture window is a feature that sets your home apart and can make it more appealing to potential buyers when it's time to sell. Picture windows in Orangeburg. The perfect choice for comfort and efficiency. For homeowners in Orangeburg, a picture window offers a perfect blend of style, energy efficiency, and functionality. Whether you're looking to enhance natural light, reduce your energy costs, or simply improve your home's curb appeal, a picture window is a smart choice that can deliver long-lasting benefits. With their ability to frame breathtaking views and fill your home with sunlight, these windows are an investment that will make your living space more beautiful, comfortable, and efficient for years to come.